Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will solve the third challenge of Formulas and Validations module. The name of the challenge is Create Validation Rules. Let's move to the challenge. So in this challenge, we need to create a validation rule to check that a contact is in the zip code of its account. So the name of the validation rule is given to us and the conditions are also given to us that we need to check whether an account is null or not, and for that we have a hint also which says that we can use is blank function to this check. So let's move to the org and create the validation rule. We'll go to the object manager, and in the object manager we are going for the contact object, as we are going to create the validation rule on the contact object. So here is the validation rule and we are going to create a new validation rule. So the name of the validation rule is given to us. It is contact must be in the account zip code. So we'll copy from here and I'll paste it here. It is active, and this is where we are going to create our formula. So this is the error message field. As there is no error message given to us, we are going to put a error message which says that it is a mandatory field. Mandatory field. Now we are going to create the formula. So first we will check the account whether it is null or not. So for that we are going to use the isBlank function which is provided in the hint. So isBlank function is here, and in the isBlank functions we are going to pass the account ID. So click on insert. Now isBlank function will check whether the account ID is null or not, and to satisfy our challenge, what we are going to do is we are going to put another function which says not. So account ID should not be null in our challenge. So here it is. Not is the function which we are going to use, and we will cover this isBlank function under the not. So this is the first condition which we have done. Second condition says that account with a mailing postal code that has an account and does not match the associated account shipping postal code should return with a validation error and not be saved. So we are going to check for the contacts mailing postal code. So here's the contact, and contacts mailing postal code is here, mailing postal code, and we are going to insert it. It should not be equal to the corresponding account's shipping postal code. So insert field, account, and here we are going to search for the shipping postal code. So it is here, shipping postal code. We're going to insert it. So we are done with the formula. To cover both of these conditions, we are again going to put a function which is called AND. So the AND function will enforce both of these conditions on the validation rule. So this is done. We are done with the formula. We'll check. We'll click on check syntax to check whether the syntax is correct or not. So no error found. So we are good with the formula. Let's save it. So we have created the validation rule and it is active. We are done with the challenge, and let's check whether we have done it correct or not. So yes, we have completed the challenge and we have completed this formula and relations module also. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.